Bauska Palace, a symbol of Latvian history and architectural elegance. Bauska Palace, located in the town of Bauska in southern Latvia, is one of the country's most historically significant and visually stunning landmarks. Nestled at the confluence of the Musa and Memele rivers, the palace stands as a testament to Latvia's tumultuous past and its cultural evolution. Built during the late medieval and early Renaissance periods, Bauska Palace embodies both military and residential functions, reflecting the political complexities of its time. Over the centuries, it has withstood wars, occupations, and neglect, only to emerge in modern times as a restored historical treasure and a prominent tourist destination. Bauska Palace was originally constructed in the mid-15th century by the Livonian Order, a branch of the Teutonic Knights, as a strategic fortress. Its purpose was twofold: to guard against invasions from neighboring Lithuanian and Polish territories and to control the important trade routes passing through the Zemgale region. The location was ideal for defense, as the rivers formed a natural moat on two sides, while the remaining sides were protected by thick forest and marshland. The residential palace, attached to the older fortress, features symmetrical facades, ornate windows, and elegantly decorated interiors. The use of red brick and sandstone, as well as finely carved wooden ceilings and tiled stoves, give the palace a distinctly Northern European Renaissance appearance. One of the most impressive parts of the restored palace is the ducal residence, which includes a series of furnished rooms recreated to reflect 16th and 17th century aristocratic life. These rooms feature period furniture, paintings, and household objects, allowing visitors to experience the opulence and sophistication of the time.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. See you on my next adventures.